Welcome back to Crossfader, guys. My name is DJ Lawrence James. In this week's tips and tricks, we're going to be looking at another wordplay routine using the theme earthquake. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe so we can keep making videos like this one. Now we're going to check out the performance for the wordplay transition.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's earthquake. Drop it like it's earthquake. Drop it like it's drop it like it's drop it like it's earthquake.
My flow drop like an earthquake. Earthquake. Earthquake.
Earthquake. Drop it like it's earthquake.
My flow drop like an earthquake. Earthquake. Earthquake.
Earthquake. Drop it like it's earthquake. Drop it like it's drop it like it's drop it like it's drop it like it's drop it drop it drop it drop it
drop like an earthquake.
Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Yeah! Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Drop it like it's earthquake. Drop it like it's earthquake. Drop it like it's drop it like it's drop it like it's earthquake. Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here.
Now let's check out the tutorial for this wordplay.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma.
So to intro the track, we're just going to be using the snare drum from DJ Fresh's Earthquake and the phrasing from Labyrinth and Snoop Dogg.
My flow drop like an earthquake. Earthquake. Earthquake.
Earthquake. Drop it like it's earthquake.
My flow drop like an earthquake.
Using cue points and the crossfader, we're going to go back and forth, introducing the phrasing to both songs.
Drop it like it's drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it.
Drop like an earthquake.
Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Yeah! Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Drop it like it's earthquake. Drop it like.
So as we build up to the drop, using various scratch routines, hot cues, we can create a pretty cool mashup. And to finish off, we use an echo out.
Okay guys, I hope you've learned something new. If you want to see more tips and tricks like this, just hit the link in the card and I'll see you again soon.